Today we are tackling a common question that can make a huge difference in your finances. Should you choose a home loan or a personal loan? Maybe you are planning to buy a home, fund a renovation, or cover a big expense. You are wondering which loan is right for you. Today we'll break down both types of loans and help you understand which one might work better for you. So let's get into it. So first up, what is a home loan? Also known as a bond, as a mortgage. When you get a home loan, you are borrowing money specifically to buy a property. The property acts as a collateral, which means that the bank can take the home if you don't repay. Home loans are long-term commitments, typically lasting around 15, 20, and 30 years. Right? This allows you to spread out those payments over a long period of time, which can make them more manageable, especially because homes are requiring a whole lot of investment because it's a lot of money, right? And in most cases, a normal person will not have that money in their pocket. And since home loans are secured by a property, they usually come with lower interest rate compared to a personal loan. Plus, in some countries, you can get tax benefits on the interest you pay. Sounds good? Right. Now, the next question you're asking yourself now is, what is a personal loan? Unlike a home loan, a personal loan can be used for almost anything, from consolidating debt, because so many people right now are living in debt. In a matter of fact, the system is designed that you live in debt. Some people are even taking personal loan to go for a vacation, right? Talk about Instagram life, but I'm not there today. I don't want to talk about that. Or even financing a wedding. Have you heard of such a thing called lobola? Yes, that's every guy's nightmare, mostly the black guy's nightmare. Right? I'm not being racist when I'm saying this, right? Okay, we are not here for that. But okay, let's get to it. Personal loans are usually unsecured, which means that there's no collateral backing them. Because of this, banks consider personal loan much riskier, and they often comes with a very, very high interest rate. They are often have shorter terms, right? Usually between 1 to 5 years, right? But here's the catch. Personal loans tend to be approved much faster. The application process is generally much simple. So if you need money quickly, right, a personal loan could be the easier option to go with. So if you are comparing personal loan and a home loan in terms of interest, for a home loan, you might see a rate as low as some people get like 9%, 10%, 12%, right? But it depends on the time. What is the prime lending rate at that time? If you don't understand what is a prime lending rate, I'm sure I've made so many videos about that. You can just go to my channel and check videos where I'm talking about repo rate and prime lending rate, right? But also the interest rate that you get also depends on your credit score, right? But for a personal loan, those rates are often much higher. So they range between, like, we're talking about 17% to 22%, sometimes even higher. But if you go to a loan shark, they'll charge you around 40 to 50%. But we are not there. We are digressing with it. The difference adds up. Lower interest rate means lower monthly payments and less money spent on interest over time, making a home loan more cost effective, and if you are eligible, even better. Eligible means if you have a good credit score, and I'm sure I've made so many videos about good credit score. Check on my channel, right? So if we go further to compare in terms of loan terms and flexibility, right? So home loan can go up to 30 years, which spreads out the payments, and it also means that you are in debt for a longer time. But personal loan, on the other hand, typically makes out at around 5 years, which can be both good or bad, right? A shorter term means higher monthly payments, but you are debt free much quicker. So if you are the type of the person who wants to pay off the debt fast, a personal loan, its shorter term might be appealing to you. We want to go even further to compare the risk factor and the impact on the credit, right? So since a personal loan are unsecured, there are bigger risk for lenders, which is why they come up with a higher interest rate. But for you as the borrower, the main risk is your credit score, right? If you miss a payment on either loan, your credit score will take a hit for sure. However, if for a home loan, you risk losing your home if you default. So it's essential to be financially prepared before taking on this type of debt, right? So when should you actually choose a home loan? Well, obviously, if you're buying a property, a home loan is the way to go. But home loans can also be useful for other big expenses like a major renovation. Since they are secured and they are long term, you will generally get the lowest interest rate and the most favorable terms. And then you can say, hang on, when do you actually choose a personal loan? Personal loan work best for things like a home improvement projects, weddings, consolidating. They are quick to get. They don't require collateral and can help you manage short-term expenses. So if you need a smaller amount and can pay it off quickly, a personal loan might actually save you a lot of money in the long run despite the higher interest rate. But I'm sure this is the moment you've been waiting for. The bottom line. What is the bottom line, Thabang? Which loan is better, right? So it depends on your needs, right? For a big purchase like a home loan where you need a lot of money and a long time to pay it back, a home loan wins every time. But if you need funds for something that doesn't involve real estate, especially if you need it fast, a personal loan could be the better choice for you. In summary, the best loan depends on your situation, but remember, no matter what, make sure you understand the terms and know exactly what you're committing to. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you never miss out. As always, your host, the big elephant, the Courier Manage. Remember, do not be the passenger, be the driver of your life. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.